Originally, I wanted to do a video where I showed you exactly how easy that this door lock is to replace. But last night, this thing broke. I mean, it won't even go all the way down, which is how it was supposed to. And I'm not feeling super safe. And for me to make the video of me installing it, I'd have to move a bunch of furniture. So I am just going to show you the lock, let you know afterwards how long it took me to actually replace it. So here is the actual replacement lock. You can see it says Andersen right on it. It's got this thing which you put into the lock and then you screw it in. It did come with both screws. I'm gonna go try to replace it quick and I'll come back and let you know exactly how long it takes. Holy cow, you guys, I did it in exactly 3 minutes. I can't even believe it. I am super not handy, but as you can see, new lock, look in there. It's nice and tight. I even put it in wrong the first time and it still total only took me 3 minutes. So there you go. Even you can replace your Andersen sliding door lock.